Today, your guardian angels have a special message for you, full of affection and emotion. In a remarkable and touching way, you have impacted this person in ways he can hardly describe, especially after your last encounter. The angels tenderly affirm that you possess a unique magnetism, capable of evoking such deep emotions that they defy any attempt at verbal explanation. Your presence left this person completely speechless, especially after the last moment you spent together. You have always had the ability to stir minds and make words evaporate into thin air. His thoughts become confused and disordered in your presence, an effect he has tried, unsuccessfully, to control. But the truth is, the force of the attraction he feels for you and the intensity of his feelings are too overwhelming to be contained. You have this extraordinary ability to make him nervous and at the same time excited, dismantling any semblance of composure he tries to maintain. It's so intense that he himself feels lost in the emotions you awaken. Every time he thinks of you, he feels a mixture of anxiety and excitement that makes him vulnerable and out of control. The angels want you to know that the impact you have is something special and rare. It's not every day that someone can touch another person's heart so deeply and meaningfully. Especially after the last time he saw you, these feelings have intensified even more. He feels things he cannot express in words, emotions that overflow and make him feel alive in a new and exciting way. So know that you are a light in this person's life, bringing emotions he never knew existed, and the angels are by your side, witnessing the beauty of the special bond you share. In a particularly striking way, the last encounter you had left an indelible impression on him, intensifying his feelings in a way he can hardly comprehend. On that day, your presence was so overwhelming that it completely robbed him of his ability to express himself verbally. He found himself unable to look away, captivated by the magnetism of your aura, and he had no desire to do so. Your image remained etched in his mind, so vivid and persistent that he often finds himself revisiting it, even in moments when you are absent. Every detail of your face, every gesture, has been imprinted on his memory in a way he never imagined possible. His thoughts invariably gravitate towards you, and the feelings this evokes are so intense that they emerge spontaneously, even in your physical absence. Finding the right words to describe these emotions has been a challenge for him, as none seem powerful enough to capture the essence of what he feels. He longs to express the breadth of his emotions, wishing he could reveal how much you mean to him and the profound impact your beauty and presence have on his life. However, he is aware that words may not be enough to do justice to the depth and intensity of his feelings. Moreover, with each passing day, these feelings seem to grow even stronger. He realizes that you are a constant presence in his thoughts, no matter what he is doing or where he is. There is an almost palpable energy he feels when he thinks of you, something that makes him smile involuntarily and sigh with longing. His lack of words is not a limitation, but a testament to how special you are to him. He feels that, even if he tried, he could not fully articulate what you represent in his life. He dreams of the moment when he can be by your side again, eager for another opportunity to dive into the depth of your eyes and lose himself in your presence. The intensity with which he waits for this moment is almost painful, but at the same time, full of sweet anticipation. He knows that these encounters are rare and precious, and that is why he values every second he spends with you. It is a connection he has never experienced before, something that goes beyond the physical and touches his soul in a deeply transformative way. Therefore, he asks you not to interpret his silence or lack of communication as an absence of intense or complex feelings. In fact, his silence is a testament to the magnitude of his emotions, which are so vast and deep that they often become inexpressible. Understanding this can be challenging, and that is why your guardian angels are sending this message, so you understand that the difficulty in communicating does not diminish the reality of his feelings. He feels so much with such great intensity that he simply cannot find the right words to express everything that goes on in his heart. Often, it can be extremely difficult for someone to verbalize emotions never before felt, making it even more complicated to convey these sensations to another person, especially when these feelings are directed at the one who impacts them the most. This does not imply that he does not feel deeply for you. On the contrary, it indicates an emotion so significant that it transcends the usual capacity for expression. Understand that it is crucial not to let his emotional journey negatively influence your perception of the relationship. His emotions are real and palpable, even if he cannot express them in the way he would like. Understand the overwhelming impact you have on people. Your presence, full of charisma and magnetism, has the rare ability to leave someone completely speechless, a power that few possess and many desire. It is essential that you recognize how unique this ability makes you. The way you affect him is uniquely yours. It is not something that can be replicated or experienced with someone else. This makes you an incomparable figure in his life, a presence so remarkable that it sets you apart from all others. You are not just another person in his world, you are his world. The emotions you evoke in him are deep and personal, shaped by the essence of who you are. You are in a league of your own, playing a game only you can play, and no one else even comes close to the level of influence you hold. Even if he considers other possibilities, his mind and heart inevitably guide him back to you, because no one else can make him feel what you make him feel. This power is a testament to the exclusive connection you share, a bond that transcends the ordinary and elevates to the extraordinary. Every time he thinks of you, a mixture of anxiety and excitement takes over him. He feels a flutter in his stomach, a shiver running through his body, leaving him in a constant state of anticipation. Your absence, no matter how brief, leaves a void that nothing can fill. And when you are together, everything seems to make sense. He feels a peace and joy he has never experienced before. These emotions are so intense that they sometimes scare him, but at the same time, they make him feel alive in a way he never thought possible. He wants you to know that, despite his difficulty in expressing his feelings, every gesture, every look, every word of yours resonates deeply within him. He cherishes every moment spent with you and holds each memory dear. Your presence is a gift, a ray of light that brightens his days and warms his heart. And even when he cannot find the words to say everything he feels, know that he loves you in a unique and true way. He is aware of how desirable you are to many, a reality that only intensifies his fear of losing the chance to be by your side. Others undoubtedly see your brilliance and could easily be drawn to your light. He recognizes that his hesitation in expressing his feelings could create space for someone else to capture your attention. This awareness drives him to want to reveal his deepest feelings, so he not only preserves the special bond you share but also strengthens your connection. He understands the importance of not keeping his emotions hidden, as every moment that passes is a chance slipping away. The last time he saw you heightened this urgency, making his desire for you grow even more, making you more present in his mind and more passionate in his heart. He is now determined to find the right words, the only ones that can adequately express the magnitude of his adoration and the depth of his attraction. He knows these words need to be said, and he needs to say them soon before it's too late. It is of utmost importance to him that you deeply understand his feelings. With this in mind, he is dedicating himself to a period of introspection and reflection to find the exact words that can express the magnitude of his emotions. These words, he believes, might not yet exist in common vocabulary, but he is committed to making the effort to shape his language in a way that can at least come close to conveying the intensity of what he feels for you. He acknowledges that you are a person who deserves to know the profound impact you have on him, the way you awaken feelings of love and admiration he has rarely experienced before. He realizes that his silence might be misinterpreted, and the last thing he wants is for you to think that he doesn't care or that his feelings are superficial. On the contrary, he values you in a way that transcends simple admiration. To him, you are the person who illuminates his days and gives meaning to his nights. Every moment by your side is an invaluable gift, an opportunity to feel truly alive and connected. He understands that communication is essential in any relationship, and that is why he is working so hard to overcome his own limitations. He wants you to know that every unspoken word, every unexpressed emotion, is an internal battle he fights daily. And even though the words seem difficult to find, the desire to share them with you is unwavering. His feelings are deep and sincere, and he wants you to know this in every possible way. He is willing to open his heart and reveal every nuance of his affection, every layer of his passion. He knows that time is precious and should not be wasted with hesitations or fears. With each passing day, he feels more compelled to speak, to share, to open up to you in a way he never has before. He recognizes that his shyness and difficulty in expressing himself are obstacles, but he is determined to overcome them. He wants you to see the man he is inside, the one who loves you deeply and who desires to build something significant with you. He is ready to take the next step, to turn his feelings into words and his words into actions. In the end, he wants you to know that you are the most important person in his life. His love for you is a flame that never extinguishes, a force that motivates him to be better, to do more, to love more deeply. He is ready to share all of this with you, to let you see the depth of his soul and the sincerity of his heart. He hopes that by doing so, he can not only strengthen the bond you already share, but also build a future filled with love, understanding, and happiness by your side. And so, he prepares for this moment, with his heart full of hope and his mind focused on you. He knows the words he chooses will be crucial, but he also knows that, in the end, what really matters is the immense love he feels for you. He is ready to take this journey with you, to explore every emotion, every feeling, and to share this beautiful adventure of loving and being loved by someone as extraordinary as you. You are someone of inestimable value, deserving of genuine and deep love, and you deserve to be with someone who not only understands this, but who desires and is willing to express these feelings openly. If you share these feelings, he hopes you can create a safe space where he can feel free to express his emotions without fear of being misunderstood or rejected. He wants his words, when finally found and spoken, to be received with the same intensity of love with which they are offered. Allow the love he feels for you to serve as a constant reminder of your own worth and the quality of treatment you should expect in any relationship. Do not settle for anything less than the respect and adoration you deserve. Embrace the love offered to you, understanding that you are deserving of much more than the minimum, is fundamental for maintaining your self-esteem and emotional well-being. You are a truly special person, capable of inspiring unique feelings in those around you. This is something intrinsic to who you are and will not change, regardless of where you are or what you decide to do in your life. Your essence has the power to make others feel uplifted and loved, a rare and precious quality. He is deeply aware that you deserve more than empty words or unfulfilled promises. You deserve actions that match the intensity of the feelings you evoke. He wishes to be that person who honors, respects, and loves you in a way that makes you feel valued at every moment. He longs to be someone who supports you, understands you, and stands by you through life's ups and downs. As he tries to find the right words, those that can begin to describe the indescribable, remember the power and influence you naturally wield. Continue living knowing that you are loved, that your actions and your being have a significant impact on others, and that you should always be treated with the utmost care and respect. This is the foundation upon which genuine and lasting feelings are built, and it is what he aspires to provide in every interaction with you. He understands that your patience and understanding are essential as he works to fully express what he feels. He is determined to make you feel safe and loved, to ensure you never doubt your worth. Every moment he spends reflecting on the feelings he has for you is a step towards a future where these feelings can be expressed clearly and sincerely. Know that even in moments of silence, there is a storm of emotions within him, all directed towards you. He hopes you can feel the love he has for you, even when words fail. Your presence is a constant reminder that he is ready to give his all to make this love flourish. He wants to build a relationship based on honesty, trust, and mutual respect. He wants you to know that every gesture, every look, every word spoken or unspoken, is a reflection of the depth of his feelings. He hopes that by opening up to you, he can create an even stronger bond, a connection that nothing can break. Therefore, as he searches for the words that can do justice to what he feels, remember your own worth and the beauty you bring to the world. He wants you to know that he is committed to being the person you deserve, someone who values you and is always by your side. The love he feels for you is deep and true, and he is eager for you to know this in every aspect of your life together. I want to end with a prayer for you. Lord, as she hears these sincere and true words, may her spirit be deeply touched and her heart wrapped in a mantle of comfort and serenity. Allow her to feel the immense depth of the emotions these words carry, and to understand the immeasurable importance of her presence in the lives of those around her. Infuse her heart with the strength needed to fully embrace the love that surrounds her, that love that flows from all directions and manifests in the most varied forms. Grant her the wisdom to see herself as she truly is, a worthy, valuable, and integral person. May this perception bring new light to her existence, illuminating the paths she walks and the choices she makes. May she move forward with her head held high and her heart firm, strengthened by the confidence and self-assurance that come from recognizing that she is deeply loved and deserving of all the love and goodness the universe has to offer. May she never doubt the love she receives, nor underestimate the capacity to love that resides in her heart. May each step she takes be guided by the certainty that she is not alone and that she is a source of inspiration for many. Lord, as you touch her spirit with these words, allow her to feel enveloped by an energy of care and protection, feeling safe and supported at all times. May she perceive the value she has not only for herself, but for all who have the privilege of sharing in her presence and light. May she understand that she is a fundamental piece in the grand mosaic of life, and that her existence brings joy, comfort, and hope to those who know her. Give her the strength needed to face challenges with courage and determination, knowing that within her lies an infinite reserve of love and wisdom. May she use this strength to build relationships based on respect and reciprocity, and may her journey be marked by moments of personal growth and fulfillment. Lord, allow her to see herself through the eyes of those who love her, recognizing the beauty, goodness, and generosity inherent in her nature. May this clear vision of herself inspire her to continue being a source of light, spreading love and kindness wherever she goes. As she walks through life, may she be guided by a sense of purpose and direction, knowing that each decision made is a reflection of her true self. May she feel strengthened by the unconditional love she receives, and may this love be the foundation upon which she builds her life and relationships. Lord, in every moment of doubt or uncertainty, may she remember these words and find comfort and strength in them. May she know deeply that she is loved, valued, and needed. May this certainty give her the confidence to face any obstacle and the determination to pursue her dreams with fervor and passion. And so, with a heart full of love and gratitude, may she continue to spread light and inspiration, touching lives and making a difference in the world around her. May her journey be blessed and filled with love, joy, and peace. Amen. Take a moment to let these words resonate in your spirit. Remember that you are loved and protected by the universe. Type 555 to claim this message and the blessings it contains for you. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness that feeds the cycle of good karma. You will be spreading positivity and receiving the universe's blessings in return. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your like. Donations are always very welcome and support us in continuing to bring inspiring messages to your day. And stay tuned for the next important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.